Go ahead and turn on the TV. There we go. Sit down and watch some tunes. The National Weather Service Office in Montgomery City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in northwestern Goreland, Brick City County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Gore County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Liberty City County in northwestern Goreland, northeastern Liberty County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Gorebox County in northwestern Goreland, southwestern Montgomery County in northwestern Goreland, southwestern Manhattan County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Manhattan County in northwestern Goreland, until 9:32 a.m. At 9:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail was detected approximately 5.5 miles from Montgomery City, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Damage to roofs, cars, mobile homes, and other buildings will be caught within the storm. If you are caught in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are in a home, move indoors and if need be, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building or a basement or cellar or whatever shelter you can find, and avoid windows. 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts will be deadly for those caught without shelter. Cloud-to-ground lightning is also one of nature's biggest killers. Oh, geez. It's very cloudy outside. That's not good. Eh, 15 minutes later. The National Weather Service Office in Montgomery City has issued a tornado watch for Montgomery County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Gorebox County in northwestern Goreland, northwestern Gore City County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Gore City County in northwestern Goreland, southwestern Goreville County in northwestern Goreland, southwestern Montgomery County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Montgomery City County in northwestern Goreland, southwestern Liberty County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Manhattan County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Manhattan County in northeastern Goreland, southwestern Liberty County in northeastern Goreland, until 10:40 a.m. At 10:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 110-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail was detected approximately 5.5 miles 5 miles from Montgomery City, moving east at 110 miles an hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, 610-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Mobile homes, vehicles, and buildings will be damaged or destroyed. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are in a home, move to an interior room or basement or underground shelter on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep as many walls between you and the outdoors as possible. If you are in a vehicle, and you cannot, a vehicle or mobile home or the outdoors and cannot find a substantial shelter, move over to the nearest airport or public transportation or law enforcement camp. These areas will take you to another area not within the watch area. Once you evacuate, you do not need to move as far away from these counties listed in the alert as possible until you cannot hear this alert anymore. Move out if you cannot find a shelter quickly before this storm gets worse. If you can evacuate as many people as you can out of the county areas. After that, move back to your shelter. If you have the time, evacuate now. Repeating, if you have the time, evacuate now. When you evacuate, place a white towel in any visible portion of your home to let civil authorities know that you have evacuated. Shut up. I can't charge my phone in the bedroom now, can I?
Yes, you can. You can use my charger.
I don't want to. It's slow as shit.
I don't like how you're talking to me. I'm going to talk to your mother about it.
Shut up.
I'm going to talk to your mother about that, too.
Then don't watch this if you don't want me in here. Then don't watch it. Later.
I want to hear this.
Wait until later.
I can't wait till later. I want to hear it now.
Whatever. Cloud to ground lightning is one of nature's biggest killers. If you can, evacuate or seek shelter now. Repeating, if you can, evacuate or seek shelter now. Those caught without shelter could be risking their lives and putting others in danger. Oh, wait, before the alert ends, remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes.
Brennan, please.
If you don't shut the hell up, I'm going to slap you. So stop talking.
I don't have to stop talking. This is my house.
I don't care.
You stop talking so I can hear the television.
I don't care if you can hear it or not. This is my video. I get to do what I want with my video, so shut the fuck up.
House.
I don't give a shit.
Your mother, every word out of your mouth, I'm telling your mother.
Whatever. Head over to www.nationalweatherservicemontgomerycounty.com for the most recent information on this storm and other developing situations. 25 minutes later. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Montgomery County Police Department, Montgomery City Sheriff's Office, and the Montgomery County Emergency Management. At approximately...
Brennan, please.
There you go. Fuck off. At approximately 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the tornado watch that was just issued a couple minutes ago has deemed to be false. The storm is way too large for the watch zone. Evacuate to everything land now. Repeating, evacuate to everything land now. You have approximately infinite hours, months, days, and other instruments and measurements of time. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now.
That's long enough for you to take in the bedroom and get in.
Can you shut the fuck up, please? If you can't take it, don't watch this then. That's as simple as that.
This is my house. I want to watch it. It's as
Well,
simple as that.
Well, you don't need to.
You don't need to sit there and talk and talk and talk and talk.
It's a video, you idiot. It's a video. You're an idiot. You can't shut the hell up for once. You always gotta complain, and complain.
You're the one running your mouth.
Because it is a video. It is a part of the video.
Take it in the bedroom. Your cord is long enough.
No, it's not. It's a couple of feet. I cannot go into the bedroom with that. It would be too short to reach. I am not.
Long enough to me.
Shut up. Look at how short this thing is, especially when it's tangled up like this.
Untangle it.
I can't.
I can.
How?
Bring it here.
I'm not bringing it to you. I need to charge my phone. So I'm not moving into my bedroom. Or the bedroom. Just leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone, please. Oh, we need to evacuate to everything land? Oh, shit. Infinite measurements of time later.
Can't hear this.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Groenlandian government. At approximately 6:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The law enforcement warning that was issued a long time ago was deemed true. Everyone must evacuate now. This is a very dangerous situation. The Groenlandian government has sent out military troops to throughout Groenland to set up camps where they can evacuate citizens to everything land. Public transportation and other modes of transportation can be used. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is an emergency action notification. Repeating, this is emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Gorebox KVBVC 32, broadcasting in the Montgomery County area. This station will resume regular programming to provide news and information for this area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. If you can, evacuate. If you can't, seek shelter. Do either one. Going outside is the most dangerous thing you can do. This tornado has become so big we can't put a rating on it. Also, the Chaos military again has pressed the self-destruct button. They keep on finding it wherever we move it. The President will be speaking shortly. Repeating, the President will be speaking shortly. Bop! 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 Stop calling her and not bother her. And you're gonna leave her the fuck alone. She does what she wants to do since she's an adult. She doesn't have to answer you.
She doesn't have to put up with your shit either.
And can you just leave her the hell alone instead of calling her over and over and over again? You don't need to do that. She's not gonna answer. If she's not gonna answer you, she's not gonna answer you. I know I'm getting in trouble, but just because she isn't answering you now doesn't mean you don't have to keep calling her. If you can't already tell, this tornado and all other disasters will be occurring. Tornado is way too dangerous. Chaos military is trying to be getting rid of. Everything Canadian and Gorlandian governments and all other Gorlandian governments and special forces from any other alternate Gorland universe will be coming to this one to pick up anyone and anything that has not evacuated. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Eh. 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 Well, guess I'm gonna die. Well, it's too late. Time to head over to the helicopter. Dang it, it's on this side of town.
Alright, so here we go. Let's look at it. White men, Biden won. White men, Trump won 67. White women, Trump won 53-46. Anyone ever showed you that? Biden only won by 4. And he got You're seeing it now. I've shown it before. This number right here.